Tools Metric and SAE Toolkit in Off-Road Series Toolbox. The Off-Road Series is SP Tools' extra wide drawer storage system designed for field service vehicles. The box is 890mm wide and 510mm in depth. It features a combination of 7 drawers in narrow 225mm or wider 740mm configuration. The tool chest lid is equipped with heavy-duty dual gas struts and a twin full-length piano hinge joint. These connect to a full weather-resistant lid and front cover. The key feature of this box is the heavy-duty roll cage. It not only protects the box from external impact, but also acts as a set of lifting points. The base of the box includes 2 skid rails for added protection and enables the box to be forklifted. Internally, the drawers are equipped with full extension 28 ball bearing slides, and the slides are rated to carry 40 kilograms per pair. The tool chest features heavy duty, dual layer, UV resistant powder coat finish. SP Tools 122 piece metric and SAE socket and accessory set in EVA foam. The kit includes quarter drive metric and SAE sockets 4 to 13mm 3/16 to ½ inch, 3/8 drive metric and SAE sockets 6 to 22mm and quarter through to 7/8, 3/8 drive metric and SAE deep sockets 10 to 19mm and 5/16 to 3/4, 3/8 and ½ inch drive spark plug sockets in 5/8 and 13/16, quarter 3/8 and ½ inch drive soft grip 45 tooth ratchets, quarter 3/8 and ½ inch drive soft grip breaker bars, quarter 3/8 and ½ inch drive universal joints, quarter 3/8 and ½ inch drive extension bars, and a range of socket drive adapters. SP Tools 34 piece metric and SAE spanner set in EV8 foam, and they include the quad drive combination spanners from 6 to 26mm and quarter to 1 inch. SP Tools combination spanners have 2 exclusive features that set them apart. The quad drive open end. This feature enables the open end of the wrench to grip on 4 sides of the fastener instead of the normal 2. The gripping point moves away from the corner of the fastener to the flat side due to the internal radius corners that are part of the internal design of the wrench. The dual flat drive ring end. This feature has 2 parts. First, the unique shape of the internal ring causes the fastening force to be applied to the flat side of the fasteners rather than the corners. The second is the flat top and bottom of the ring end. By not chamfering the internal ring of the wrench, we have extended the length of the contact to the fastener. This is extremely useful when dealing with damaged bolts or where bolts are recessed and access is limited. SP Tools 20-piece chrome alloy screwdriver set with induction hardened tips, 6 Phillips head screwdrivers 38mm through to 150mm in length, 6 standard blade screwdrivers from 38mm to 150mm in length, and 8 Torx tamper screwdrivers from T8 to T40. All screwdrivers feature SP Tools ergonomic dual texture soft grips. SP Tools 6-piece precision screwdriver set, 3 Phillips head and 3 standard blade. SP Tools 13-piece impact screwdriver set, which includes Phillips slotted and hex bits. SP Tools chrome alloy pliers and cutters with induction hardened cutting and grip points, a 150 and 200mm diagonal cutter with dual texture grips, 200mm long nose plier with dual texture grips, 200mm combination plier with dual texture grips, 250mm 3-rivet heavy-duty locking plier that features chrome alloy jaws, 165, 250 and 320mm heavy-duty multi-grip pliers made from chrome alloy steel, and 150, 250 and 375mm adjustable wrenches. 4-piece circlip plier set made from chrome alloy steel, 175mm straight and bent internal circlip pliers and 175 straight and bent external circlip pliers. SP Tools chrome alloy steel 9-piece hex and Torx key sets, 2 sets of 9-piece metric hex keys, 1.5 through to 10mm in long series and stubby series, 2 sets of 9-piece SAE hex keys, 1/16 through to 3/8 in long series and stubby series, and 2 sets of 9-piece Torx keys in T10 through to T50 long series and stubby series. 10-piece chrome moly punch and chisel set with pin punch sizes 2mm through to 10mm, a 16-ounce and 24-ounce ball peen hammer with a genuine hickory handle from a certified FSC timber source, a 40mm dual and hard tipped hammer with additional shot-filled head for dead blow function, and a 44-ounce 1-piece construction dead blow hammer. 102-piece bit set including a quarter drive low profile mini ratchet, metric hex 1.5 to 9mm, SAE hex 1/16 to 1/4, Torx T7 to T45, Torx Tampa T7 to T40, Torx Plus T10 to T50, Spline M5 to M8, Phillips long and short, Phillips 1, 2 and 3, Posi drive 1, 2 and 3, slotted 3.2 to 6.5mm, square drive 0 through to 3 and spanner bits 6, 8 and 10mm. The kit also includes 3 to 48 volt circuit tester with separate LED polarity display, a 10 amp DC digital multimeter, 8 metre retractable tape measure, SP Tools all-purpose utility knife, 4-piece mini hook and pick set and a 4-piece tweezer set, 3-piece wire brush set with stainless mild steel and brass bristles, 4-piece heavy-duty pry bar set, 3-piece heavy-duty scraper set, 2-piece metric and SAE thread files, and a 5-piece screw extractor set, a 50mm extendable mirror, and a 1 kilogram extendable magnetic pickup tool, and a 300mm professional quality hacksaw.